What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the wrap-up of STEM Day 2022. If you don't know what STEM Day was, or STEM Day is that it's an event that we hold once a year at Westdale High School where we have the elementary students hang out with the high school students and do a field day of sorts with all kinds of STEM-related activities. The growth from it from last year to this year is they were able to have some workplace partners, some collegiate affiliates out. And so I want you to watch this promo video that the media class kicked out, and then I'll give you some of my commentary afterwards. Enjoy.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
That video is just too cool. Let's talk about STEM Day in total and give the details of what we were able to do. So I'm going to go ahead and have the stations we had here scroll through, but I'm going to talk through a couple of them as well. We had chemistry, we had physics, we had engineering, we had biology, some forensic science, some virtual reality, and a little bit of meteorology as well. In total, we hosted the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students, about 200 students, even a few visitors from students who don't go to our school district but wanted to check the event out. And then on top of that, we had 14 workplace or collegiate partners. So either people that were looking for immediate workforce people right out of high school with certain certifications, or they could also be collegiate partners looking to promote their programs. But in any case, it was tons of fun. We had EMTs able to give laps around the parking lot with the EMT sirens going on. We had Purdue 4-H Extension in Delaware County able to bring in some drones and some other things as well. We had a 5-foot-tall trebuchet that was able to launch a 4-pound medicine ball about 100 feet pretty consistently. Huge thank you to all those people who helped run those stations. Now let's talk about funding. Funding came from Indiana MAC, which provided all of the funding for this event. We could not have gone as big without them. So huge thank you to them. We were able to purchase $6,000 of new equipment for our classrooms, but this equipment was also used for STEM Day. And so for me personally, we are now going to be able to host a middle school robotics team because of STEM Day, because of the funding from it. And I'm just super excited about that. Let's talk about what is next. So part of these partners are also going to be as part of the STEM certification process in the building. These people get to tell me and help instruct me on what do the immediate workplace partners need for the coming workforce coming their direction. Could be for right out of high school, could be for associate's degrees or certifications, or even 4-year degrees total. If you are part of the Delaware County area and you would like to be part of this next year, you are absolutely welcome to reach out to me at my school email. You can find it on the school website, or you can reach out in the comments of this video. I would love to be in contact for STEM Day next year. I would like to go even bigger. Now, that's going to take some more work from the community. So, legitimately, if you're interested in helping out with STEM Day, I'd love to have a conversation with you. In the meantime, you can watch these last little clips showcasing some of the forensic science and some other things that we did. These are going to be also posted as YouTube shorts. Just because STEM Day went so well this year, I'm going to publicize it as much as possible. You guys are awesome. Stay awesome. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.